In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check network fees before sending, if you've ever wondered how to avoid overpaying on blockchain transactions. This walkthrough will show you the simplest, most reliable ways to preview fees before you hit send, so there are no surprises. The easiest and best place to start is right inside your crypto wallet. When you initiate a transfer in a wallet like Ledger, Coinbase Wallet, or Exodus, look for the transaction preview. Your wallet will display a fee breakdown, often with options like low, medium, or high speed. This preview reflects current network conditions and is usually accurate enough for most transfers. If your wallet allows it, choose Manual Fee Adjustment. That lets you set a lower fee for a slower confirmation or a higher fee if you need it processed quickly. Next, verify those numbers with trusted blockchain explorers. For Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, check the Etherscan gas tracker to see the current GBI rates and recommended speeds. For Bitcoin, visit mempool.space to view the going satoshis per virtual byte, SAT-V2VB, for fast, medium, or economical confirmation targets. Around the middle of this video, I want to mention that I've placed the official links for Etherscan gas tracker, mempool.space, and the download pages for popular wallets right at the top of the description, so you can follow along easily. I've also added a link to Iron Wallet's fee calculator if you prefer a quick multi-network estimate. Third-party calculators like Iron Wallets can be handy when you're comparing networks or just want a second opinion. Enter the details of your transaction and they'll suggest a fee range that fits current conditions. To understand why fees change, keep three factors in mind. Network congestion is the big one. When demand spikes, fees rise. Transaction speed matters too. Choosing high or rapid modes pushes your transaction to the front, but it costs more. Finally, data size affects price. Complex actions, like interacting with smart contracts, use more gas than a simple token transfer. To reduce fees, time your sends during off-peak hours such as weekends or early mornings. Use wallets that support manual fee controls, so you can pick a slower, cheaper option when you're not in a rush. And avoid high traffic windows by monitoring network conditions. Resources like gasnow.org can help you spot low fee periods. I've linked these tools at the top of the description for quick access. That's it. Check in wallet estimates, confirm with explorers, and use calculators when needed. Send smart, save more, and keep your transactions predictable. Thanks for watching.